For most of our lives, we are taught one simple idea. Work harder, earn more money. Study well, get a job, work more hours. And yes, this works, but only to a point. Because after a few years, you realize something. No matter how hard you work, there are only 24 hours in a day, which means there is a limit to how much you can earn. This is the hidden ceiling of working for money. And that's why many hardworking people still feel stuck. But there's another way, a better way. Instead of working for money, you can make money work for you. The problem with working for money. Most people earn through something called active income. That means you work, you get paid. Simple. But here's the problem. If you stop working, income stops. This creates three major risks. Limited income, because time is limited. Income stops if you take a break. Income depends fully on your effort. So what happens? People keep working, year after year, just to maintain their lifestyle. It becomes a treadmill, always moving, but not really getting free. What it means to make money work for you. When people say, make money work for you, they mean this. Your money becomes your worker. Instead of you earning everything, your assets start generating income. Assets are things that make money. Examples: investments, businesses, digital products, content. Now imagine this. You have 3 to 4 small income sources, each earning a little. Together, they become powerful. This is how financially smart people operate. Not one income, but multiple systems working together. Step 1. Earn and save capital. Before money works for you, you must first earn it. Your job is important. It gives you capital. But here's the mistake most people make. They spend everything they earn. Lifestyle increases, but assets don't. Instead, ask a better question. What asset can I build with this money? This shift is small, but powerful. Because now, your income is not just for spending. It's for building future income. Step 2. Build assets. Once you have some capital, start building assets. There are many ways. 1. Investments. Stocks, index funds, grow over time. 2. Digital products. Courses, templates, ebooks. 3. Content. YouTube, blogs, income over time. 4. Small businesses. Even simple online models. The key idea is this. Create once, earn multiple times. That's the difference between working and building. Step 3. Compound the system. Here's where real power comes in. You build assets. Those assets generate income. Then you reinvest that income. Now your money is doing 2 things: earning and creating more earning sources. Over time, this starts to grow faster. This is called compounding. At first, it feels slow, but later, it becomes powerful. Conclusion. Most people spend their lives working for money, but the real goal is different. Make money work for you. The path is simple. Earn money, save a portion, build assets, reinvest, repeat. Over time, something changes. You stop depending on one income and start building multiple income streams. That's when freedom begins. Because now, you are not just working for money. Your money is working for you.